Hey, everybody out there, John Marshall for Oncology Unscripted. Thanks for joining us again. We hope that you're getting something out of all of this stuff that we're putting out there. We're focusing on AI, but first we got to talk about the news of the week. And to me, the biggest news that there's this guy named Steve Ubl, UBL. You may not even know Steve Ubl, but you probably know of him. He was the head, a CEO of PhRMA, which is the big lobbying group for big pharmaceutical companies. They're down on K Street or down in Washington, and they have had a major influence over everything we've done in cancer, frankly, medicine in general, with the support of the pharmaceutical industry. The most recent tension, and we talked about this before on Oncology Unscripted, is the rising price of drugs and the fact that only certain parts of the world can afford those medicines, and many parts of the world cannot because of the high prices that are set here in the United States, and that our insurance does pay for it and Medicare will pay for it, et cetera. So there's this sort of business industry that's around drugs and drug pricing that the previous administration, the Biden administration, and the current administration wants to undo, right? You've seen ads, if you're in any market like mine here in Washington, where there's a lot of finger pointing as to whose fault it is that drugs are so expensive. Trump has put tariffs on imported drugs, which has threatened this business model. And we know we are all living off of this business model. But the reason I think Steve Ubl stepping down as CEO of PhRMA is such a big deal is, he's an important figure in what is the existing structure. And we'll see what this means going forward. Is this a sign that there's going to be a shift in the policy at the level of pharma and government interface? Or is it because of pressure? Is it that his job's gotten to be no more fun and he wants to do something different? I don't know yet, but this was just announced today. So keep your nose out for the changes that are occurring in the relationship between the pharmaceutical industry, the payer, and the patient as we go forward through the year of 2026 in the current administration. Stay tuned. John Marshall, Oncology Unscripted.